So, hi everyone, it's been a while since my last got ready with me. I'm using that PLK Sun Skin Tint Foundation. So, may co-workmate, sabi niya ang ganda ng base ko daw. So, yan lang yung gamit ko. So, I'm using PLK foundation. I've been using that one for almost ilang months na. Dahil I'm super excited talaga, and also wala lang, and yan, isa yan sa hiyang sa mukha ko kasi I'm very oily and I'm very sensitive. I'm very sensitive. I have sensitive skin, so isa yan sa mga hindi ako nagpipimples aside from the Details Cosmetic and Vice Cosmetic. So ayun, the local brand is so giving right now. So, parang, isang beses lang pala ako nakatry ng, high-end product. But, it's really giving. It's really giving. Sure lang. Ayun. So, as you can see, nawala yung before and after. You can see naman. I'm using the Vice Cosmetic, foundation naman, blush on. So, yan din yung isa sa magandang blush on nila, liquid blush on. And it's very friendly and milky, and ayun, it's really easy to blend. And ayun, as you can see, it's very pigmented as well. So, kahit matagal na siya sa naglapat sa skin niyo, it's really giving on blending. Really giving on blending. Yeah, you can see that one. It's very friendly. So, ayun lang. Wala nang masabi. So, after that, I'm using packet. And after that, I'm using the Shikram. That's the contour and bronzer. Isahan lang. Kasi it's really giving na hindi siya sobrang black. So, ayan. Blend. It's very easy to blend. Very easy to blend as well. And very affordable. It's just like 200 plus. Yata yun nabili ko sa TikTok. So, it's very friendly. As you can see, hindi siya malagkit on your skin as well. And hindi siya dirty tingnan. Yeah. So you can see na gusto ko talaga yung hindi sobrang pinkish, but it's giving yung pang morena look. So ayan, diba? It's very giving. So after that, I'm very slow-mo right now. And that's one of my concealer kasi isa man naman siya. Nakalimutan ko na NYX yata yan na brand. So, yan. Paubos na siya actually. So, naghahanap akong best concealer. So, in your recommendation. Palaging nasa add to cart ko lang siya. Pero hindi pa siya na-out. Ayan. So, I have pimples there. That's why I'm putting it. And it's really easy to blend as well. So, ayan. I miss magpagwapa. And, yun lang. And, after that, diba, ang dali lang mag-blend ng ng product na yan. It's very friendly. It's really tulad ko na hindi masyadong maganda mag makeup or hindi marunong. It's really nice to invest a product na mura, and the same time the quality itself, it's giving. So ayun, and it's time to my eye. Parang sad ako dyan. Tingnan, but yeah. I'm seeing, binigay lang yan ng friend ko na nasa Japan. So, hindi ko alam kung anong brand. But it's really giving. It's like, ganda ng product niya. And it's easy to blend. And, yan. Very plenty. So, hindi ko alam anong brand. But, yeah, ang ganda niya. Milky, lumalapan din. And, it takes like, kasi paglabas ko ng work na after 9 hours, nandyan pa rin siya. Kahit kahit kinukuskus ko siya minsan kasi nakakatiyan ako. Yung sakit ng mata ko, hindi makati, but masakit yung mata ko. Nandyan pa siya. It's very pigmented in the same. Yan yung gusto kong sabihin. And I like the, yung shimmering niya. Sabi na mga kasaman ko, you really like shimmering kasi kahit sa face ko, naglalagay talaga ako ng highlighter. It's really giving a highlighter vibe. I don't know why. Ano pinagsasabi ko na yan? As you can see, naglalagay na ako ng highlighter. I really love. Hindi siya kompleto yung makeup ko pag walang highlighter. That one, I'm using the Pink Blush. And Pink Blush also very, friendly to use. And ang ganda din niya sa skin. And nagbibigay pa rin siya ng magandang quality kahit sobrang mura niya. And very friendly niya gamitin. So, ayun. Yung sabi ko, if you're starting sa makeup, then use the Pink Blush. Yan, binigay din niya ng tita ko. Hindi ko alam yung brand. Easy Chuchu. Basta. Ang ganda niyan. Complete palette. Kahit yan na blush, as in, nagtatagal yan ng ilang, like, 10 hours or 12 hours na blush. As in, kahit nakakatulog na ako, nandyan pa rin siya. Nakatulog ako sa work. Nandyan pa rin siya. It's really giving and it's very pigmented. So, yun lang. My final look. Nakalimutan ko. The powder bronzer. That's Pink Blush, I guess. Then, set na natin. I really love that, setting spray. The Diesel setting spray. Pangalawang bottle ko na yan. Nagsiset talaga siya as in, based on your, based ng pangangailangan ng And, my, lip liner, I'm using the Details Cosmetics. Ang ganda niyan. It's very milky. As in, dalawa lang yung, brand na nagaganda na ko, which is the Detail Cosmetic and the Vice Cosmetic. Ubus na yung Vice ko. So, time to purchase the 10-10-10. And that one is my favorite lippy aside from the O2O. I'm using the BLK. And time for my, the O2O for my lashes. Kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng lashes. And, nagbibigay talaga siya ng volume on my lashes kahit hindi ko na siya na-curl. Yan, that's my final look. Yan? Nag-trend ng eyes. Di marunong, girl. Ayun lang. Ingat. Bye. Have a safe day, guys. Bye.